In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install uTorrent in Windows 11. Let's get right into it. The process is same on Windows 10 and 11. First, open up any web browser on your PC, and in the search bar, type uTorrent.com. Once you have typed it, press Enter on your keyboard. Now on the website, you'll notice the uTorrent web version showing up at the top. We don't want that one. So, scroll down a little until you see uTorrent Classic. This is the version we want to install. Click on Free Download, and on the next page, click the Free option again. As you can see, the installer has now started downloading. Once it's done, just click on the downloaded file and hit Yes if prompted by Windows. At this point, you can minimize your browser. Now in the installation window, click on Next, then click on Next again. Read the license agreement, and then click Agree. Now you'll see some installation options. Select the options you want, then click on Next, then click on Next. Now the installation will begin, and just like that, it's done. If you want to launch uTorrent right away, leave the box checked and click Finish. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.